यस, हेलो स्टूडेंट। देखिए, हम आज स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं चैप्टर 2 यानी कि यूनिट सेकंड और रिलेशन एंड फंक्शन। लेकिन इससे पहले हम रिलेशन के बारे में आप लोगों को बताएंगे कि आम डेली लाइफ में हम रिलेशन को कैसे यूज करते हैं। अक्सर हम बोलते हैं the relation of the teacher and student, the relation of the mother and daughter, the relation of the son and father, the relation of the brother, the relation of the parallel line, the relation of the perpendicular line, the relation between two triangles, the relation between two numbers, or suppose x is the square of y and so on. So there are, we give the many example of the relation. But relation जो होता है that is between the two numbers or two objects. So therefore first of all we define order pair. हमें जो है एक जो रिलेशन होता है एक पेयर के बीच में होता है, दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स के पेयर के बीच में रिलेशन होगा। तो therefore first of all we define the ordered pair. What is an ordered pair? Ordered pair क्या होता है? An ordered pair is a pair of object in a specific order. यानी कि जो ordered pair है एक पेयर है दो अलग अलग ऑब्जेक्ट्स का जो कि एक स्पेसिफाइड जो कि एक स्पेसिफिक ऑर्डर्स में होती है दोनों ऑब्जेक्ट्स। An ordered pair is written by listing its two members. इसके जो दोनों डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं, these are called the members of the ordered pair, or these two objects put in a small bracket and both objects are separated by a comma and enclosed in a small bracket. In the ordered pair AB, A is called the, note down this, A is called the, here जो A है A is called the, that is say A is called the first component and B is called the second component or second members of the ordered pair. Now next हमारी डेफिनेशन है इक्वलिटी ऑफ द ordered pair। देखिए यहाँ पर कोई भी दो ordered pairs में हम देखेंगे कंपेयर करके कि कोई भी दो ऑर्डर पेयर इक्वल कब होंगे। सपोज वी कंसीडर द टू ऑर्डर पेयर से AB एंड CD, तो देन these two ordered pairs are called equal कब? if and only if A is equal to C, यानी कि फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट के इक्वल और सेकंड कंपोनेंट के इक्वल, दैट इज A is equal to C and B is equal to D. So then these two ordered pair are called equal. Its converse is also true if and only if. यानी कि if two ordered pairs are equal, then the first component is equal to first or second component equal to second. But if the component first is equal to first of the second order pair or second component of the first order pair is equal to the second component of the second order pair, then we say both order pairs are equal. Now, for remark, we observe the ordered pair AB and BA are different. देखो दो order pair, for example अगर हमने लिया that is say 2 and 3 एक order pair और दूसरा लिया हमने 3 and 2, तो that is 2 3 not equal to that is the ordered pair 3 2, है ना? कब तक? unless whenever A is equal to B, यानी कि अगर इनके फर्स्ट और सेकंड कंपोनेंट ये आपस में इक्वल नहीं होंगे तब तभी कैन यू से दैट द ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स आर इक्वल। सेकंड द टू कंपोनेंट ऑफ द ऑर्डर्ड पेयर में बी इक्वल। फॉर एन एग्जांपल जैसे 2 2 हो गया आपका 3 3 हो गया और दैट इज जनरली से ए यानी कि बोथ कंपोनेंट ऑफ द ऑर्डर पेयर में भी इक्वल, किसी भी ऑर्डर पेयर के दोनों जो कंपोनेंट है वो इक्वल हो सकते हैं। नहीं, नोट दैट, याद रखिए हमेशा, दिस इज नॉट इक्वल टू दिस बिकॉज दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ ए सेट, दिस इज नॉट द सेट ऑफ द टू elements A and B, while this is represent the, this denote the order pair of the two objects. So therefore we can say that AB curly bracket not equal to AB in the small bracket. Yes. After the order pair, we study the Cartesian product of the two set. This is the very important definition. देखिए, let me take A and B are any two non-empty set. Then we define the Cartesian product of the set A to B or A and B is the set of all ordered pair such AB, such that where first component of this ordered pair belong to the set A and second component of this ordered pair belong to the set B is called the Cartesian product of A and B. Symbolically it is written and defined as A cross B is equal to set of all ordered pair A B such that A belong to A and B belong to B. For an example, we define, suppose we take A is a set is 1, 2, 3 and B is the set is 3, 4. Then A cross B, we evaluate 1, 3, ordered pair बनाएंगे, multiply नहीं करेंगे हम, तो 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 3 and 3, 4. Similarly, we can also find the value of B cross A, that is 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, or that is 4, 1, 4, 2 and 4, 3. Now we observe here clearly, number 1 is, अगर आप यहाँ देखें, A cross B not equal to B cross A, point. Or second point, here we observe the number of the element of NA cross B is equal to NB cross A. जबकि A cross B not equal to B cross A, but NA cross B is equal to NB cross A, or this is equal to NA or into NB. अगर इस एग्जाम्पल को वेरीफाई करें तो then that is 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So therefore, यस, रिलेशन। देखिए, रिलेशन की डेफिनेशन से पहले हम रिलेशन जो वर्ड है, जो शब्द है, इसके बारे में बताएंगे। रिलेशन का मतलब जैसे कि हम डेली लाइफ में यूज करते हैं, द रिलेशन बिटवीन ए स्टूडेंट एंड ए टीचर, द रिलेशन बिटवीन द डॉटर एंड मदर, द रिलेशन बिटवीन द फादर एंड सन्स, द रिलेशन बिटवीन द brothers, relation, the relation between two parallel line, the relation between two perpendicular line, या the relation between the two triangles, या the relation between the two different objects. जैसे less than, A is less than B and B is greater than A, etc. या फिर A is equal to B. Suppose if we consider the two numbers, so this type the all called the relation. So then in the definition of the relation in the form of set, let me consider A and B are any two non-empty sets, then any subset of A cross B is called a relation which is defined from the set A to B. यानी किसका मीनिंग ये होगा कि if there are A and B are any two set, तो then a relation, what is the relation? The relation is any subset of A cross B, यानी कि कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट आप लोग पढ़ चुके हैं। कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट एक सेट होता है ऑर्डर पेयर्स का, और उसके जो भी सबसेट होंगे, एनी सबसेट या एवरी सबसेट भी कह सकते हैं, इज कॉल्ड ए रिलेशन। नॉट, देखिए, बिकॉज एनी सबसेट of A cross B is called a relation. Since we know that empty set is also the subset of A cross B, so therefore empty set is also a relation. So in this case, if the value of the R should be equal to empty, then this relation is called the empty set, empty relation. Also, if A cross B is also a subset of A cross B, because every set is a subset of itself. So therefore, if R is equal to A cross B, so then R is called the universal relation, because A cross B के अंदर A से जो B की कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट हम डिफाइन करेंगे, उसके सभी ऑर्डर पेयर्स आ जाएंगे, तो therefore this is called a universal relation. Number 2, if R is a relation defined from A to B and AB order pair belong to R, then we write, हम इस बात को कह सकते हैं, we write that is A related to B, यानी कि A का B से कोई ना कोई रिलेशन है, and it is read as A is related to B. But if AB not belong to R, अगर ये R का एलिमेंट नहीं है, तो then we say A not related to B, and it is right and read as A does not related to B. In particular case, if A is any known empty set and we take any subset of A cross A as a relation, so then A cross any subset of A cross A is called a relation on the set A. Yes, representation of a relation. देखिए, हम किसी भी रिलेशन को रिप्रेजेंट कैसे करेंगे? There are the two forms to represent the relation. Number 1 is the roster form, जैसे कि आपकी सेट में थी roster form, और number 2 is the set builder form. In the roster form, we define the relation, or we represent a relation by the set of all ordered pair which belong to the given relation put in a curly bracket. For an example, let me take A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a set, and B is equal to 1 to 20. So then we define a relation from set A to B. Then a relation are defined from set A to B such that B is the square of A, where A belong to A and B belong to B. Because B is the square, यानी कि second component is the square of the A, यानी कि first component, तो therefore we take A cross B and we select the all those ordered pair which satisfy this condition. That is 1, 1, 2, 4, यानी कि 4 is the square of 2, 9 is the square of 3, and 16 is the square of 4. So therefore we write such all ordered pair in a curly bracket in the form of the tabular form, or that is called roster form. And second, set builder form. In this form, a relation represented as xy such that x belong to A and y belong to B, and x dot 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 y, where this space can be replaced by the rule associates x and y. यानी कि हम इस स्पेस में जो रिप्लेस करते हैं उस रूल को, उस नियम को लिखते हैं जिसके द्वारा x एलिमेंट, x कंपोनेंट रिलेट करता है y कंपोनेंट से। यस, एग्जाम्पल, let A be a set 1, 3, 4, 5, 7 and B is the set A defined as, and a relation defined from set A to B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. So therefore, to represent this relation from set tabular form to the set boulder form, first of all we search the relation between the first and second component. If we observe here, the second component is one more from the first component, that is 2 and 1, 4 and 3, 6 and 5, 8 and 7. So therefore we write R is equal to xy such that x and belong to A, y belong to B, and x यानी कि first component is less than y. Also we write this. हम इसको इस तरह भी लिख सकते थे, in place of this also we write y is equal to x plus 1, or also or fx is equal to x plus 1, where fx is called the image of the element x under the function, under the relation R. So therefore we write this relation is also mathematically y is equal to x plus 1. Now the third form to represent a relation with the help of a arrow diagram. In this form the relation is represented by drawing an arrow from the first component to the second component, because the first component is related to the second component of the ordered pair. So therefore we take A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5 and B is equal to, the set is 2, 3, 4. So then we define a relation here greater than 3, 2, 5, 2, 5, 3 and 5, 4. That is, first component is greater than from the second component. So we take, this is the set A and set B. So as per definition, 3 associate करेगा 2 को. So therefore we show the relation between the first and second component, that is 3 and 2, with the help of this arrow. And 5 is related to 2, 5 is also related to 3, 5 is also related to 4. So therefore we indicate we show the relation between the 5 and 2 with the help of a arrow. Yes. Now domain and range of a relation. देखिए डोमेन क्या होता है एक रिलेशन का, रेंज क्या होगा एक रिलेशन का, और यहाँ पर हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स में डोमेन और रेंज निकालने के लिए भी आएगा. तो व्हाट इज द डोमेन और व्हाट इज द रेंज, ये क्वेश्चन है हमारा. सपोज वी टेक ए एंड बी आर एनी टू नॉन एम्प्टी सेट एंड वी डिफाइन ए रिलेशन फ्रॉम A to B set, so then the domain of the relation R is the set of all first component of those ordered pair which belong to the relation. That is called the domain. And range of the relation is the set of second component of the all ordered pairs which belong to the given relation. So therefore, in short way we define the domain of R as the set consisting of those elements, first component, that is the first component of the ordered pair which are belong to the R, and X is belong to A, for some y belong to y. यहाँ पर इस ऑर्डर पेयर के जो y एलिमेंट है, सेकंड कंपोनेंट है, दिस इज द एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट B. Also, range of R is the second component of the order pair Y, where Y belong to E and XY belong to R. For some X belong to A. Also, because the relation R is defined from the set A to B. If that is defined from set A to B, then the set B is called the codomain of the relation. Yes, now we discuss problem based on the order pair and the Cartesian product. Yes. Question number 1. Find the value of A and B if the order pair this is equal to this. So, solution of question number 1. Here we have A plus B or 3B minus 2. 3B minus 2 is equal to 7 minus 5. So then by the definition of the equality of the order pair, the first component is equal to first component and second component is equal to second component. So therefore A plus B is equal to 7 and 3B minus 2 is equal to minus 5. Or from this equation, 3B is equal to minus 3 or B is equal to minus 1. Now putting the value of B here, A minus 1 is equal to 7 or A should be equal to 8. So therefore answer हमारा आ गया A is equal to 8 and B is equal to minus 1. Again we check your answer. A is equal to 8 or B is equal to minus 1. So 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So this is the value of the A and B. Now the question number 2. देखिए, in the question number 2, if the order pair A minus 1 and phi B belong to this set of the all order pair xy, where y is equal to this. So then find the value of A and B. Question number 2 solution. अगर हम लोग यहाँ देखिए, we have the order pair A minus 1 and phi B belong करते हैं set of all order pairs such that y is equal to 2x minus 3. तो यहाँ पर अगर हम देखें तो by taking this implies that x is equal to आपका आ जाएगा a and y is equal to minus 1. Or therefore now putting the value of x and y is minus 1 is equal to 2a or minus 3. Or this implies that 2a is equal to 2 or a is equal to 1. Now also x is equal to 5 and y is equal to b. Put in the relation. So therefore put y is equal to 2x minus 3 or y is equal to b and x is equal to 5. That is 10 minus 3 or b is equal to 7. So therefore here the value of a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 7. देखिए, since the order pair this and this belong to this is the element of this set and xy and the relation between the x and y is equal to 2x minus 3, where x here the first component and y is the second component. Next, question number 3. We find if x belong to this and y belong to this, from the set, हमें एक set of all ordered pairs लिखना है x y, if x is a factor of y. देखिए, अगर हम लोग यहाँ देखें तो the ordered pair x हमें जो है लिखना है set, तो the required ordered pairs का जो set होगा हमारा solution, that is the set is x y such that x is a factor of y and x belong to set A 2 3 4 and y belong to the set 2 4 6 2 4 and that is 6. So therefore the set of ordered pair is, देखिए here 2 2, yes, 2 is a factor of 2, x is a factor of y, 2 4 2 6 2 6 and 3 2 नहीं, 3 4 नहीं, 3 6 और that is 4 2 नहीं, 4 4, yes. This is the complete answer. So therefore all the ordered pairs, the first component is the factor of the second component. Yes, देखिए here A is a set and B and C are the given three set. Then verify that this. तो यहाँ पर हम लोग देखेंगे कि कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द सेट यूनियन और डिफरेंस के साथ कैसे जो है ऑपरेट की जाती है. तो देयर आर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 सॉल्यूशन. First of all, we find B union C. If we write, first of all, we write all the set in the set tabular form. X is that x is belong to n, and x is less than or equal to 3. So 1, 2, and 3, and the set B is equal to -1, 0, and 1, and the set C is equal to 1 and 2. So therefore we find first of all is B union C. अगर हम यहाँ देखें तो B union C में हमारे पास आ जाएगा -1 और that is 0, 1 and 2, or then LHS is equal to A cross or B union C. तो this implies that, देखिए हमारे पास B union C है और A cross B union C हम लोग पाना चाहते हैं. तो by the definition of the Cartesian product, that is the set 1 ordered pair 1 minus 1, 1 0, 1 1, 1 2, or that is 2 minus 1, or 2 0, or 2 1, and 2 2, 3 that is -1 3 0 or 3 -1 3 0 or 3 1 and 3 2. So therefore the left hand side is this. Now we find A cross B. अगर हम यहाँ देखें A cross B is equal to the set of all ordered pair 1 minus 1 1 0 1 1 or 2 minus 1 or 2 0 2 1 3 minus 1 3 0 and 3 or that is 1. Similarly, we find the value of A cross C. अगर हम यहाँ देखें A cross C, तो then 1 1 or that is 1 2 2 1 2 2 or 3 1 or that is 3 2. Now we find the value of RHS. RHS हमारे पास में is equal to A cross B or union A cross C. This is equal to contain the ordered pair. देखिए A cross B is A cross C is this. तो 1 minus 1 or that is 1 0 1 1 2 minus 1 2 0 2 1 3 0 2 1 3 minus 1 or 3 0 or that is 3 1. यूनियन इसके साथ 1 1 हमारा आ चुका है, 1 2 नहीं आया है और that is 2 1 आ चुका है, 2 2 और that is 3 1 आ चुका है और that is 3 1. तो then अगर हम यहाँ देखें लेफ्ट हैंड साइड 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So this implies that we get LHS is equal to RHS or therefore this result is satisfied. तो अगर हम लोग देखें A cross B union C should be equal to A cross B union A cross C. It means कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट यूनियन के साथ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी को होल्ड करेगी. नाउ वी राइट द सेकंड पार्ट अगेन. The second part is the difference of the two sets. First of all, we find A minus B LHS. A minus B or cross C. So then A minus B means A के वो एलिमेंट जो C के अंदर ना हो, that is only 3. और cross C, that is 1 or 2, or this is equal to 3 1 or 3 2. RHS. अगर हम यहाँ देखें RHS में, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड A cross C. A cross C, that is 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2 और 3 1 3 2 3 1 3 2. Yes. B cross C, or B cross C means minus 1 1 minus 1 2 0 1 0 2 1 1 or 1 2. So then A cross C minus B cross C. All the order pairs of A cross C which are not belong to B cross C. So that is here we find 1 1. Yes. 1 2. Yes. 2 1. That is 2 1 or 2 2. So it means B cross C. The ordered pair which are not in this, all the ordered pairs of A cross C, that is 3 1 and that is 3 2. These ordered pair अगर हम देखें यहाँ पर तो 3 1 A minus B, A minus B 1 or 2 or that is 3 1 2. वे एलिमेंट 3 और B तो 3 1 और 3 2. A cross C. A cross C means 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2 3 1 3 2. Now B cross C. B cross C means minus 1 to 1 minus 1 to 2 0 to 1 0 to 2 1 to 1 and this. So therefore A cross C माइनस बी क्रॉस सी, यानी कि वे ऑर्डर पेयर जो कि हमारे ए क्रॉस सी में मौजूद हो मगर इसके अंदर मौजूद ना हो. तो दिस इंप्लाइज दैट not equal. Left hand side not equal to right hand side. LHS not equal to. Similarly, we find A, B, C, R and D are the set. So first of all, A cross B intersection C. We find B intersection C. After A cross B intersection C, similarly the right hand side and verify both are equal or not. Now we find A cross C and B cross D, and we also know the definition of the subset. So then we verify this is a subset or not.